Welcome to the channel. Power outages can be unpredictable, but your home doesn't have to come to a standstill. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best inverters for home, carefully selected for their reliability, efficiency, battery compatibility, and overall performance. Whether you're looking for backup during blackouts or a full-on energy solution, we've got options for every type of household. Check the description for current prices and detailed specs on each inverter. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're always ready for the next power cut. Let's power up, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. 2000 watt Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. The Jondell PS2000 SDR is a powerful 2000-watt pure sine wave power inverter designed to convert 12 VDC to 120 VAC with up to 90% efficiency. It delivers clean and stable power, ideal for sensitive electronics and high-power appliances like microwaves, refrigerators, and compressors, making it perfect for off-grid solar setups, RVs, home backup, and emergency use. Engineered for safety, it features full protection against overvoltage, overload, overheating, short circuits, and polarity reversal. Built with UL-listed components and isolated input-output design, it meets UL 458 standards for reliable, long-term use. The inverter includes a USB-C PD30W, dual QC 3.0 USB ports, 2 AC outlets, a hardwired terminal block, and a 15-feet wired remote for convenient control. Its rugged aluminum housing and intelligent cooling fan ensure efficient heat dissipation and reduced power waste. Jondell backs it with an 18-month warranty and US-based customer support centers, offering peace of mind and dependable service. Number 4. Wesrobe 1800W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. The Wesrobe SE 1800W24V is a high-quality pure sine wave power inverter delivering 1,800 watts of continuous power from a 24 VDC battery to 120 VAC. Designed for home use and sensitive electronics, it ensures a stable 60 Hz output, ideal for devices like TVs, laptops, CPAP machines, and household appliances under 1800W. Its built-in DC LED display allows real-time monitoring of voltage, helping users stay aware of the system's status. A soft starter feature ensures smooth AC voltage rise, minimizing surge impact and extending the life of connected devices. Equipped with 4 120V pure sine wave outlets and a 15A max capacity, this inverter offers clean, reliable power for both indoor and outdoor applications. The all-aluminum housing and efficient cooling system, including a smart fan, provides superior heat dissipation during operation. Durable and dependable, the Wesrobe SE 1800W24V is a strong choice for off-grid systems, power backup, and emergencies. Number 3. AliExpress 3000 watt Inverter. The AliExpress 3000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter is a high-performance solution for reliable, clean power anywhere you need it. Designed to convert 12 VDC to 110 VAC with over 90% efficiency, it provides smooth, stable electricity, ideal for sensitive devices like refrigerators, microwaves, air conditioners, and power tools. Its advanced pure sine wave output ensures quiet operation, eliminating the buzzing or humming common with modified inverters. Built for convenience, it features a bright LED display that shows real-time power and battery status, a 14.76 feet remote control for easy access, and 3 AC outlets plus USB ports to power multiple devices. The rugged design includes dual turbo cooling fans and smart temperature control, ensuring safe operation even under heavy loads. Whether for RV life, camping, home backup, or emergency prep during storms or blackouts, the AliExpress inverter delivers dependable performance and peace of mind when you need power the most. Number 2. Renogy 1000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. The Renogy 1000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter is a reliable and efficient power solution designed to convert 12V DC to 110V AC with over 90% conversion efficiency. Delivering 1000 watts of continuous power and 2000 watts of peak surge power, it supports various electronics such as TVs, laptops, freezers, and floodlights with clean, stable electricity equivalent to grid power. Its advanced pure sine wave output ensures smooth, quiet operation without buzzing, protecting and extending the lifespan of sensitive devices. The inverter is equipped with multiple safety features including undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, short circuit, and overtemperature protection, complemented by cooling fans and ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, safety. User-friendly design includes 2 AC outlets, 1 AC terminal block, a 5V USB port, and a 16.4-foot wired remote for convenient control. Certified by UL and CSA, its durable metal housing withstands impact, making it ideal for outdoor use, emergencies, camping, and off-grid power needs. Number 1. Belt 2000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. The Belt 2000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter is a powerful and reliable DC to AC converter designed for outdoor, off-grid, and mobile power needs. It delivers 2000 watts of continuous power and can handle up to 4000 watts surge, making it ideal for running sensitive electronics like TVs, home theaters, and car stereos with clean, stable electricity that matches utility grid power. The inverter features an intelligent LCD display that shows real-time input-output voltages, battery status, load conditions, and other important data, helping users monitor performance and troubleshoot efficiently. It offers versatile connectivity with dual AC sockets, a 20A outlet, a 5V USB port, hardwire port, and a remote controller with a 23-foot cable for convenient operation. Safety is a priority, with multiple protections against undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, overheating, short circuits, and reverse polarity. Its sturdy aluminum and plastic housing ensure durability for long-term outdoor and mobile use. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.